friends, welcome to the Starseed Urja once again, your friend Arpita is back before all of you. So today in this video, I am going to share a very powerful mantra about wealth, about how to attract abundance of wealth in your life, how to attract abundance of wealth and prosperity in your life. So before I share the mantra, let me share few information about that specific deity, about that specific god. So as we all know that we all want wealth in our life. Without wealth, without money, life becomes a little miserable. But through law of attraction, through chanting mantra, we can immediately remove all kind of blockages from our life, and we can attract abundance of wealth in our life, provided you need to have 100% faith and strong belief in whatever you are doing in your life. So as we all have heard the name of this specific god, that is Kuber Maharaj, Kuber Dev. So we know that Kuber Dev, Kuber Maharaj is the god of wealth, is the god of the entire north direction. He is believed to have abundance of wealth, and he offers lots and lots of wealth to everyone, provided you need to worship this deity with 100% faith and with 100% discipline. Friends, whenever you are chanting any mantra, you should chant the word of each word of that mantra properly, and you should have 100% belief in that mantra. You should be able to connect yourself with that mantra. So let me tell you that Kuber Dev's closest friend is Shivji, is Mahadev, is our Mahadev. So whenever you are bringing Kuber Maharaj at your home, you should know that at which direction you have to place. You should know what is the mantra, you should know how many times you have to chant the mantra, and you should place Kuber Dev in your altar in a proper way. So before chanting Kuber Dev's mantra, you have to chant the mantra of Lord Shiva, that is our Mahadev. So if you have any Rudraksh mala, if you have any Jap mala, you have to of 108 beads. So you have to chant initially Mahadev's mantra, that is Mool mantra Om Namah Shivaya Namaha, for 108 times, and then you have to chant Kuber Dev's mantra. Okay, if you chant it is believed that if you chant Mahadev's mantra before chanting Kuber Dev's mantra, Kuber Dev becomes satisfied, he gets impressed. So before chanting Kuber Dev's mantra, you have to chant Mahadev's mantra, that is Om Namah Shivaya Namaha, at least for 108 times by just through that specific bead mala. Okay, so after chanting Mahadev's mantra, you have to chant Kuber Dev's mantra. I am saying the mantra very slowly so that you people are able to understand. If you are not able to understand, just type in the chat box. I will repeat the mantra once again. So the mantra is Om Shring Hring Kling Shring Kling Pitta Sharayo Namaha. I repeat, Om Shring Hring Kling Shring Kling Pitta Sharayo Namaha. I repeat for the third time, Om Shring Hring Kling Shring Kling Pitta Sharayo Namaha. I believe I am able to make you understand. So you have to chant this mantra at least for 108 times after chanting Lord Shiva's mantra by taking the beat mala. Okay, so after chanting this mantra, you have to just whatever you want to say, whatever message you want to convey to Kuber Dev, you have to say that in your mind, and then you don't have to think about that. Then just continue your day with your work, with your whatever work you have. And friends, another information, you have to, if you are bringing Kuber Maharaj at your home, you need to place Kuber Maharaj in a specific direction. That is, you have the face of Kuber Maharaj will be in the south direction, that is Dakshin direction, and the back of Kuber Dev will be in the north direction. It means that Kuber Dev is bringing the wealth at your home from the north direction and entering your home. So that's why it is always suggested to place Kuber Maharaj in a specific direction. I repeat, the back of Kuber Maharaj will be in the north direction and the face of Kuber Maharaj will be in the south direction. And it is saying that Kuber Maharaj is bringing abundance of wealth in your life from the north direction, because it is believed he is the Dev, he is the Maharaja of wealth of the entire north direction. So whatever information I get, whatever I personally apply in my personal life, I always try to share that specific mantra, that information with my beautiful soul families immediately. So I believe this will help you. And friends, let me add one more information. If you literally want to get the benefit of a specific mantra, you have to chant that mantra like at least for 21 days. But personally, if you ask me, I will suggest you, if you literally want to get the benefit of a specific mantra, chant that mantra throughout the year. Make it a daily practice, that like the way you brush your teeth, you take your breakfast. So make chanting mantra as a daily ritual, as a daily practice. It not only helps you in your like in regard to wealth or any other thing, but it will help you also to cleanse your chakras, to program your 7 chakras, to energize your 7 chakras, and you will feel literally a divine feeling will be evolved inside you. You will be able to experience that. Everything cannot be shared, friends. You have to experience, but for that you have to chant mantra. And let me tell you, friends, chanting mantra or mantra is extremely powerful. It can remove all kind of negative blockages, whether in your chakras, whether in your mind, whether in your body, whether in your soul, or whether at your home. And you should chant mantra loudly. Okay, it not only helps you, it helps others as well, and it also, you will indirectly help others. Okay, the moment you start chanting mantra, that cleanses the entire aura of the entire surrounding. So the moment you chant any mantra, it will help you, and you will indirectly serve others, serve humanity. You will serve your highest good as well, friends. So that's all about today's video. I hope you like this video. I hope this video will help you in regard to wealth, in regard to attracting abundance of wealth, money in your life. But have strong faith and don't expect to happen anything overnight or within 1 day, within 2 days. The more your belief system is strong, the more you will be able to experience anything very fast. It's all about your belief system, friends. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the bell notification all to get all kinds of latest updates, and do like, do comment, do share, and do post this video, do forward this video to your friends, to your relatives who need this. Remember one thing, always sharing is always caring. The more you share, the more you help others, it brings lots and lots of blessings in your life indirectly, friends. Thank you, friends. Thank you for supporting your channel, The Starseed Urja. We will be back soon. Thank you.